Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make Buka style Amala and Abula at home, which means I'm going to teach you how to make Buka style Ewedu, Gbegiri soup and fluffy Amala. Please like, comment and subscribe. Without wasting much time, let us get started. Let us start with the Buka stew. First, I'm going to boil my pepper mix for around 8 minutes. This method does not only reduce the cooking time, but it also saves resources. This method is a game changer and the result is super amazing. Just cook with very little water and allow the water to dry out a bit before you transfer into your blender. Please blend your pepper smoothly. Emphasis on smoothly. To cook the Buka stew, start by adding palm oil into a pot, then go in with the blended pepper mix. Add meat stock or water. Since I have pre-cooked the pepper mix, I'm just going to add my proteins immediately. You can use any protein of choice, but what's Buka stew without assorted? Add seasoning and salt, give it a good mix, and cover and allow to cook on low heat for 8 minutes. By the way guys, who makes the best Buka stew that you have ever had? Drop their name, let's give them their flowers. And what meat has to be in your stew for it to be complete? Is it goat, meat, beef, shaki, or all of the above? Let us know in the comment section. You will know your stew is ready when you can see oil above the stew, above the pepper. And just like that guys, our Buka stew is ready. Let's make Ewedu. Add baking soda or potash into water and bring to a boil. Add the Ewedu leaves. Please do not add too much water. The water is going to go above the Ewedu once it starts to boil. Allow the Ewedu to cook on medium to low heat for at least 10 minutes. Once you pick up a Ewedu leaf, and you can see that it is very soft, that you can easily break it with your fingers, then you know that your Ewedu is ready for the next step. For the next step, you can either use Ijabe or blender. I am using blender for mine. So my Ewedu is already soft at this point and I'm just going to transfer into my blender. If you're using the blender, you're advised to allow your Ewedu to cool down before blending. Add locust beans. Please make sure your locust beans is thoroughly washed. Then I'm going to add crayfish powder, or you can add whole crayfish. I'm going to add egusi powder and I'm going to proceed to blend the Ewedu. If you're using blender, please use your pause function. You don't want to over blend your Ewedu. Use the pause function so that you don't end up with a thoroughly smooth Ewedu. You don't want your Ewedu to be very smooth. This is the texture that we should be aiming at. After blending, transfer into the pot. Add salt, add seasoning if you're using seasoning. Stir well and cook for another 2 minutes and our Ewedu is ready. Slimy and vibrant, just like the Buka style. Okay, let's be real guys. Do you blend your Ewedu or you still use the traditional method using Ijabe? I want to know who the real OGs are. And now to the queen of this combo, Gbegiri. Add peeled beans into boiling water. Cover and cook until the beans is extra soft. This one is quite easy. You're going to blend the beans smoothly using a blender, or you can also use Ijabe, which is the Ewedu broom. Blend it until it is smooth, then transfer back into the pot. Add crayfish powder, add palm oil, add salt and seasoning powder. Stir together and cook for 5 minutes, and that's how to cook Gbegiri. Very easy. Before we proceed to the next step, please, if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, kindly do so. Help me grow this channel. Please subscribe, like and comment. Thank you very much. How to make the fluffiest Amala without cocoa in an easy way. Mix the Amala flour with room temperature water. You're going to stir this very well until it is well incorporated. and without any form of cocoa. It shouldn't be too thick and it shouldn't be too watery either. Add water into a pot and bring to a boil. Proceed to add the powder mixture into the boiling water and keep stirring with a turning stick until a dough is formed. Do not panic, it's going to look like cocoa is forming, but no, that's not cocoa. Just keep turning it. Don't panic at all. Once a dough is formed, you're going to add water into it. Scoop out the little ones from the turning stick and also scrape the side of the pot. This one is not necessary, but this is how we do it. This is how people do it. This is how our mothers do it. Cover and allow it to cook until the water dries off. Use little water for this, please. Continue by stirring the dough until the amala is smooth. Alright, moment of truth. How do you think your ham game is? Because amala doesn't tolerate weakness at all. If you have ever had to fight with amala before, raise your hand in the comment section. Let us know each other. No judgment at all, because we have all been there. Do you stir with your right hand? Do you stir with your left hand? Or do you pray? Do you do prayers and hope that it doesn't turn out to be bad or have cocoa? Please let us know in the comment section. Who else loves their amala soft and super stretchy, not hard like building block? Anyway, me, I'm number one. Just look at this texture. Look at that. Look at that. And just like that, our amala is ready. Proceed to serve your amala with Ewedu, Gbegiri and the Omeobe. Bon appetit! Proceed to serve your amala. The way this amala is shiny, you would think that it just got baptized in palm oil. Do you roll your amala into small balls or just dive straight into it like a warrior? Be honest, guys. Be honest. How many wraps of amala can you finish in one sitting? Don't lie, you. We are all family here. I enjoy my amala with plenty of obstacles. How do you enjoy yours? Let me know in the comment section. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed it while filming this recipe. How do you enjoy your amala? Let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching today's video. I will definitely see you in the next one. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching again. Bye.